Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Katrina. So I was scrolling through Instagram the other day and I came across this blowout hair hack. That's all I'll say. Continue watching the video to see how I got this look without blow drying my hair. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So my hair is all tied up, looking crazy. I just washed it yesterday and then I let it kind of air dry, and then it was kind of hot, so I had put it in a bun while I was sleeping. So this is what it looks like. I am going to be working in sections. I'm going to split my hair in half as I usually do. Just going to tie this section, put it out the way, and we're going to work on this side. So I am going to do a couple pieces and then I'm just going to speed the rest. I'm clipping this up and starting with the for heat protectant. I'm going to be using this Ion Styling Solutions heat protecting spray. I got this from Sally's. I've been loving this lately. I'm just gonna kind of brush through this piece first. I came across this video on Instagram. I'll put it here, somewhere here as I'm talking. But yeah, I came across this video on Instagram and I thought it would be really cool to try and show you guys. So basically, she is taking the flat iron, taking a round brush, and as she's using the flat iron, she's also kind of rounding out the ends to give it like a blowout look. In the video, she used a Dyson flat iron. I don't have a Dyson flat iron, I have a Dyson dryer. I'm gonna be using this flat iron. This is a Cortex. I don't know, I found this randomly, really inexpensive from Marshall's, I think. Normally I use this one. This is another Cortex, but I bought this from, I don't know where I got this from, but it was somewhere online. I've had this iron for I think like 7 years. And when I went to turn it on today for the video, it does not turn on. I guess it died. I don't know. I literally just used it like last week and it's not working. But thank God it happened here and not like when I was actually with a client. So yeah, I'm going to be using this one. This one I use for me at home when I'm just flat ironing really quickly. And the other one, it's a little bit more stronger, I feel like. So that one I use for my clients. So I don't know. Hopefully this one comes out good because again, like I said, like this flat iron is okay, but it's not the best. What I'm going to do first before I start to do the ends, I'm just going to like work on my roots because my roots will get frizzy. So I need to just kind of press them first before I even do anything. Okay. All right, so I just kind of did my roots first. All right, so what she did basically is she took her brush and let's see if I can do this. This section is a little big, but it's okay. She took her brush and wait, I think she flat ironed it first, and then she kind of, this was kind of hard to do with this hand, then she kind of rounded out the ends. I think she kind of held it there for a minute till it kind of cooled. What I'm gonna do is she kind of just kind of took it out. I'm gonna twist it a little bit just to give it a little bit of a little more style. Okay. Okay, it definitely has more flip than what it would be just with kind of bending it with the flat iron. Sometimes when you bend it with the flat iron, it gets a little, it's not as soft, I guess, if that makes sense. It can be a little bit of a hard flip, but this looks pretty good. Normally, actually, what I would do is I would kind of pin it up and let it set, but she didn't do that in the video, so I'm gonna kind of stick to what she did. So let's do a couple more sections and I'm just gonna speed up the rest. Like I said, my flat iron died. I have no clue what flat iron I'm gonna get. I've been thinking about what I want to get for the past couple months, and I don't know. I don't know what I want to get. In the video, she used the Dyson and it looked really good. But the Dyson flat iron is like $500. That's more expensive than what I paid for the Dyson dryer. So I don't know. Maybe if Dyson sees this, if you want to if you want to send me your flat iron, I'd really appreciate it. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I've been looking at a bunch of different brands. I've been looking at the Dyson. I think it's like Harry Josh. Um, I noticed that a lot of people are using like GHD flat irons. So yeah, I don't know. I want it to be good, so that's why I'm like really trying to like take time and make sure I get a good one. Okay. So I think she flat irons it first and then puts the brush behind it. I think I did it wrong the first time. So let's flip that and then it's kind of awkward with this hand, but okay. Just gonna hold that for a minute, and when it cools, I'm just gonna kind of twist it out. It definitely does give like a blowout look. So let's go with this piece. I would never even think to do something like this. It's so funny. It's so funny what people come up with and think of. I would never even think to do this. I just hold it for a couple seconds or until you feel like it kind of cools down. You can release it, and then she didn't do this. She kind of just flipped it out, but I'm gonna kind of twist it a little bit just to make sure that flip really just to make sure that flip really stays in place. So yeah, you can see the look we're getting. It definitely does give a blowout look. So yeah, I'm really interested to see how the rest of the hair is going to come out. So yeah, I'm going to speed everything up for now. So I'll talk to you guys when we're all done.
I started to feel like I'm falling away from you, stalling the pace with you. And you know if I knew a way I could stay with you, I'd change my tune. Cause I don't wanna call out across the room, call out to you, cause who knows what you do. I don't know who we are, but we know that me and you, that we both once knew. I don't wanna see the tears in your eyes, and I'm not gonna try and force you in line. And I don't wanna sit here and fight if you don't wanna be mine. Maybe we should pause time just for a while. It might be all we need. Maybe we should cut ties, cause this don't feel right. So let me set you free. It might be all we need. And you'll be fine here without me. Yeah, yeah. And we'll be fine, you just wait and see. I started to feel you stumbling back to me, but I watched you drop the key. But still you know just what to say and just where to be to get at me. Cause you don't wanna call out across the room, call out a truce, cause they'd all look at you. I know just who you are and I wish you did too. Wish you didn't care what they thought of you. I don't wanna see the tears in your eyes, and I'm not gonna try and force you in line. And I don't wanna sit here and fight if you don't wanna be mine. Maybe we should pause time just for a while. It might be all we need. Maybe we should cut ties, cause this don't feel right.
So we are all done. I really love the way it came out. To be honest, I was nervous that it was gonna have like a kind of hard look that sometimes you can get from flipping your hair with a flat iron, but you know what? the brush really softens it out, and it really, like, look at my hair, like, it looks like this literally looks like I used the round brush and blow dried my hair, but I didn't. I used the flat iron. So this is great, especially for my hair, because my texture does not last with a blowout alone. Even if I blow dry it, my ends will be okay, but I definitely need a flat iron to press my roots to prevent them from getting frizzy. So the fact that I was able to, one, flat iron my hair and pretty much get my roots down, but plus also get like a really nice blowout look flip at the end, like, this is really amazing. I don't know, it's really creative. I don't know if that the girl in the video created that, but if she did, she is a genius, because this is so smart and it's such a hair hack. Because it's hard to blow dry your hair. It takes me, like, even with the Dyson, it takes me maybe like half an hour, but it's still like my, especially like with my wrist, like my wrist like lately just starts to give in, especially when I'm doing blow dries and stuff. So the fact that I was able to like give my wrist a little bit of a break and kind of still get a blowout look without having to do a blow dry, I am really impressed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am gonna link the original video, or maybe I can find her account. I'll link it, everything down below, so you guys can check that out. I don't know if she is like a YouTuber. I don't know if she does hair already. I don't know, but I'll definitely link her information down below if you guys want to check the video out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any like Instagram hair hacks or TikTok hair hacks that you see and you want me to try, maybe you don't want to try yourself and you want me to try, comment down below and let me know. I would love to hear your guys' suggestions. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.